BM Enfa Emra Badwam Mpensenpensemu so Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 na Go TV channel 119 or so Facebook Adom TV YouTube so Adom TV ja comment ye beje ne brepam nya kenkan nyina edi amayefa na sekese enkoma Franco Trading Enterprise makato se phone papa na dwosu Franco Trading Enterprise ona akwa benya iPhone Samsung Nokia phone bia watin dia which is papa bia okọ Franco Trading Enterprise on sabe can be our TV 32 to 65 inches me say saying ECG fo am ya toto nkane abom tinkane abo ayedin ento air condition bia kekemfa mo dem e ma ne nkotwe enwode nkane adwihwim ekofa ka bia meja so unya Franco air condition ena e papa na betwe kane aketu ebesa ma dem so achele hwemo e won kran tema kuma se miamia wodo bia be ko bia bo Franco atena from 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 Franco Trading Enterprise or sister phone papa efi and one safari tissue enso eniem open tissue dia power fifra safari tissue open tissue dia power so dia wi safari tissue eti chop bar ne restaurant for ne mu hia no safari tissue na make am for edema edwama so be abeko bia so pe safari tissue esa se na badwa so ne papa obia agi atumo me so me nua ba sabo so me so na so obu nsa oti pains pa ibe wo high blood pressure o sugar level no e wo soro ho ana onsa eno nan agitititi ne fe ne se ananse e ba ba chimni bi me se wada entrance saa ne fe no ananse no any stroke na enam e be hawo etiade a mekanfo de ama e piwak garlic mixture piwak garlic mixture eno ene ade a wo hia na etimi aboa saa ya ne oni ya wo bi afre ni padwem frɛ 0248 928 824 Shopiko Danny Heba ewo Kumasi on sabe can be ho Albert Sam Hotel Heba so kwa sabe can be takra so AA Mensa sunyanso Green Light Pharmacy okwa on sa ebe can be 24 and frɛ 0248 928 824 Richoko enso na no pe no na ebodi aguebo ni aye kama esansa na obia age ede atomo zest consult ni opeso to kwan ekwa abrochire ekosua de sanya scholarship a zest consult de betimi abomada romentene Ghana de hye bese 2000 anya kwanya esua de wo UK and US hwom sese no mo enti emu afromo e was 0555 631 633 0555 631 633 Abajafo atrase ba bedi Komola ya Chumbare by a member of NDC National Communications Team Kofi Tonto a government spokesperson Mameko amansu enim komo wetew emfa emra head of policy edema research edema Dr. Kwabradefo campaign ye Kofi Kukubo owa amase nim komo isa so me krata bia koma NDC mpanifo se ebeya campanifo postpone NDC presidential prime minister never so memory that way DB entia abaditi akai mo acha no pay eba Adom TV so good morning sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Yeah, good. I'm patron so
Yaminado.
Yeah, they am say. Afa yare buami antia say mo reason parentia do for campaign for postponing the presidential prime minister of NDC come Saturday.
Yeah. Pardon me, let me speak English.
Okay.
As of today, Dr. Kwabradefo and his team do not have the full complement of the voter register or the photo album. And the voter register or the photo album is a base document that will be used on the day of election. So one of the reasons why we are asking for the postponement of the election is because 4 days to election, the voter register or the photo album is not complete. We have 276 constituents. Manchester has a problem, so we have 275 problems. As at 4th May 2023, the elections committee only handed only 220 photo albums representing 220 constituents out of the 275 constituents that the elections are going to be undertaken. Clearly, it is established fact that the base document, which is a legal requirement that must be used for the elections on the 30th, is not complete. Nobody goes into an election with an incomplete record. Point number one. Point number two, the 220 constituencies of photo albums that were handed over to Dr. Kobana Dufour's team on the 4th of May is fraught with several irregularities and inaccuracies. What do I mean by irregularities and inaccuracies? There are photos of one person duplicated all around under different names and under different ID numbers. There are about 74,000 on that voter register do not have any picture. Some do not have any. The only thing they have is name, only their name. Which position they hold in the party, not stated. How old they are, not stated. Whether they are male or female, nobody knows. Whether they are even qualified to vote as a voter in the country, we don't know. So they are saying that those people who are put on a subsidy list, that means those people who cannot be validated in any form, will also be allowed. That is subject fraudulent and manipulation.
Okay, so Kofi, before say we proceed or no, way, these 44 people independently, what me verify say they qualify to be on the album, and more the speculation you must say.
It's not speculation. We did assessment of the people. They're not speculating at all. We do not speculate. You cannot go into this speculation. We have 220 photo albums representing 220 constituents.
Okay.
We did assess. That's why I use the word assess. It's not based on speculation.
So officially, much the party need to correct these anomalies before coming out say party and postponing primaries.
The party has received all our letters, all our requests, all the analysis that we have made. We have presented all the facts to the party.
So party now responded to how they are going to deal with this concern, and I said they are not minding until I'm a threat to ever.
Well, we are waiting for the official response. As I speak today to you now, we don't have any official response.
So if some more change official response from the party, why do you then jump the gun and call on the party so I'm postponing such a primary?
I don't get that question.
Maybe as I said, if I feel more change official response from the party, why do you then jump the gun, calling on the party say I'm postponing the presidential primary?
Okay, maybe you didn't understand what I. The base document, that is the document that must be used for election, is a voter register. And we are saying that as of today, the National Elections Committee has not completed the voter register. How do you go to election without a voter register or incomplete voter register? That's why we are saying that postpone.
So
we have officially written to the party.
Okay.
So the party is aware.
Okay.
That Dr.
So Kofi, party election guidelines, no. Sieko abatosua. Brebe na say the candidates no should receive the album. Is it a week before the election?
21 days to election. 21.
31 days to the election.
21
days.
Yeah.
And now the Badwam Mpensenpensemu the 220 albums.
On the 4th. On the
4th of May.
Yeah, just last.
Is it because someone side and Kwana Munyan on the 4th of May and I say the other two competitors no enya dada?
Well, we cannot, I cannot speculate. We did not have.
Okay, so
we were
party natural mudientia. Party natural mudientia or one to for album na mamo 21 days before the elections.
Because I believe if it's the 21 days, it's 220. That means the voter register is not complete.
Confidence
is not complete. So maybe that's why they were not able to hand it over. It's not complete. So even this one, we have to force them before they say, "Oh, we have only 228 complete." So they are putting it on our hard drive. They put it on our hard drive.
How will you respond to this?
It's not even 228. It's 220.
Okay, so how will you respond to this? If people say this is a defeatist approach, yeah, Dr. Kwabena Dufour, and back you on.
I mean, if they refuse to listen to the postponement. Hello?
Will Dr. Kwabena Dufour pull out if they refuse to postpone it?
Why should he pull out? Why should Dr. Kwabena Dufour pull out? Well,
will Dr. Kwabena Dufour injunct the primary?
We are going to invoke all legal actions to ensure that the voter register is complete and has met the requirements of integrity to ensure free and fair elections.
If it does not happen, so it means one of the legal process near say Obeko court seeking for injunction. Will Dr. Kwabena Dufour press that button?
It's one of the possible actions, but I believe in the wisdom of the national executive. The facts that we are presented to them, I believe they will postpone it.
Thank you very much.
But we are open to all legal action.
Okay. Kofi Kukobo, a policy analyst, Dr. Kwabena Dufour campaign to nam say no chain and common about. Kata Omri Akoma party and Penfo say on to say Adom no koye adwuma memre day ebe wie pay no. Omon to chain abato no ensensan. But John Dramani Mama so calling for peace in the primary. Say what is some focus on NDC adishare war a statement if the man table or challenge or see should be a yes, sir, and Madame Nebjafo and Chom Commander say.
Some people like conspiracy theories, and this one doesn't like this one and this one are quarreling. Count me out. I have no enemy in the northern region. All of them are my younger brothers. Hudu Yaya and Co started it. And then we are the next generation after Hudu and Co. And I know that Haruna and all of them are the next generation after us. We will finish and hand over the power to them. They would lead us. And so let us all be together. Those who have been putting out conspiracy theories, hiding and recording tapes and insulting everybody. If you are a true NDC, what you are doing is rather dividing the party, not uniting it. If you are a true NDC and you are hiding and you are recording audios insulting your fellow NDC, then what you are doing is you are dividing the party, you are not uniting the party. And so we are united. There is no problem between us. And we're going to work together. We're going to win the election of 2024. And we're going to put Ghana back on its feet. I thank you very much.
Okay, so John Dramani Mama and much of me a drum may come for the amount for menstrual pains, high blood pressure, high sugar level, no, a 3p garlic mixture. 3p garlic mixture. And I'm Pachokwa Bontina Kotoa, Kaidino, so pay 3p garlic mixture. And I saw a mujamrosuo, sugar level no, I was slow, or baboons, and I say, no amane. On Sano 983 a drawing a 3p garlic mixture. Pebito oak masi Danny Herba NFA Colinac. Ho ewo Abet Sam Herba. Takradin so AA Mesa NFA Sunyan so Green Light Pharmacy. Okwansa ebe can be at Tobeja Fortress Efa Kumono. And just go Facebook Neja comments or ya Bejina can area ma. Can't support Korea. Yes, it. Oh,
Nyame Adom bi abako.
Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumian, what is it?
Oh, Christ Adom. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Enyina ya sonfo.
Okay.
Alhaj Mahmoud Baumian. Doctor. Osum Oman Ghana. Nshisheye ahoro egu akwan mu se ne be ya. Obra kwantu a Ghana ye nam so a sabio Owene kakra beto ye no.
Okay.
Nyama betimi akoyi amai.
Okay.
Tie ho.
Me hunu
bo adwuma so.
Daily guide won say Baumia goes home for blessing.
So call the chrome wale.
Okushia party mpenefo na busua.
Yeah.
So peso to na mombe.
Yeah. Well, the tiene say mampanyin abedi akire ene mpanyinfo bebre akasa. Enye ne chrome nko an okoye.
Okay.
Or a lot of private engagement. On say Omaya ye womu ye wa mamre ne amane. Na de opeso ye bia ye won panyimfo bia eso okọ mo na ase ekosere omo mpaye ekosere omo adwenkyere. Nti na nse obehwa one MPs wo hia e. Enye omo nko one clergies, one council of elders we party mu on senior members of our society.
Okay.
Omo we afa, omo ni afa.
Okay.
Omo nyina share in private engagement. Okay. Business people wo man mu oni bi mu astati share obeto akoso ni bebre share. If you say omo ni esi ahene ni etu ahene.
Okay.
Enti odi sankita hudie no e de ani die ama Ghana ni bia sabe panyimfo ne ono mu a oman ekura wo. Enti okọ ni kuro mu asabe baabi a ofiri de ni nchire no no.
Sure.
Eso ne ne manfo ekodi nkomo. Nti mre so a ebedi hu nkomo.
Okay.
Nsem de bi wo ho. You can na lawyer okọ na nim ba ko no aba na chi ba ko me ka me party ho asem. Na ho papa on sa akwa de me ti bi da. Asem be ni. Ah, onso na party asem na da paso aye be kan. Na ye busa me party asem na ko anim no abo achi. Ala nso ye a police drama na say dem.
But coffee quick one on this Baumia thing na.
Yeah.
So penny o kind there. Amanfo a ewo gidi o Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia munya gidi se kianeke obe man penny di breni bi.
Inshallah.
Okay. Lawyer Chumberema, a member of the NDC National Communications Team. Oya mere nim ni papa. UK, Nigeria, Ghana, and otadi ni juma. Lawyer this muboko. 13th May 2023, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Elections in Bebaso. Okay. Okay, come on, Dr. Baumia Diana. So, Okoni Krum.
Na me se kame ni bi ase otwe mi wura mu nti se me ko man ka bi de.
Oh, me ka se kan bi. Me se o ko ba na bi ba ka se kan bi.
Ye na me twa no na nya mu de mbon na me twa. Interview ya ansa na ya o ba yesu.
Okay.
O kan bi na me ya tire me ka se man trans ade ko na na me note na se be du se ba bi aso obi sa mu ansa na se be kan de ya. Then we will know how to talk about it. Na nya mu de nempo. Na ba mu na se won de se also we had over Badwam Mpensenpensemu.
Are they qualify?
Me to no occurrence of Ghana Ghana for so oba your money.
Okay.
Oba kan sa natural Ghana for. Say me be di man pani am your money. Obi nya kan sa be Ghana for de. E wona ntu abom. Ana oba kan Ghana for say economy ni ba me man na ni mas atena kwan mu yi. Oba ka bi. Ebi an occurrence in campaign. Ya be dey do I bet the oba ka bi an yes de hu I be no wa.
Okay.
Because I'm telling you, I did them anymore. I say, on one wasn't back. If you use your resources well and do not steal them through corrupt activities, you can produce more and create more jobs.
Dr. Baumia.
Baumia, June 23rd, 2016.
We Twitter now.
Aye.
Ubi
samze General.
Tweet tweet hongo.
Oh, hongo. Me try say.
Mate.
Already that way.
Yeah, me sunu obi
abetray say.
O de mate.
Say wono say ye ni mayi a.
Okay.
But nyame so ncha de no. Open pet o ma mu say ye manage the affairs of this country. We're number 2.
Okay.
We're number 2.
Okay.
Ghana ha nyina o sing nyina liar. The first person in Nakufo, the second person in the queue. Muhammad Baumia.
Okay.
It is a boko ya abroba so a friend of her.
Okay.
What you never here pressure be my you because me and your Badwam Mpensenpensemu. Anyway, back to the NDC issue. 23 sorry, come Saturday.
Yeah.
I don't do my I'm sorry. Be somebody criteria and it's I'm in various constituencies and then the regions, you know. Obia as an appear tier the minimum government so be submitting the venue for the Congress and as
okay.
I can say election venue or whatever.
Yeah, and say benya greater Accra there no.
Oh, obia there already. I mean, yeah, just be as a region be on obia who be there, but when say constituency bia makum bia no so far no so be submitting there. Me constituency Professor Francois submit this time God me am group man kasampo na no me cause some obia na dey ko nyame adom a memenda no anopa. I mean delegates from all the branches or yen enyina baba.
Okay. Ehina moye.
999 sorry.
Ehina moye no.
As in obia be no that's me dey specifically na.
Oh mumu nye Congress.
No. We dey no across the constituencies.
Oh okay.
And constituency be able to choose one venue for it.
Ah, sure. There's no national rally.
No. Okay. Yeah, this time they breaking down. Obi anya there.
As say delegates now does over 200,000.
Oh yeah, delegates now does. Now say 9 we need 9 per police station.
Okay. Hey.
Until 999 this if say be as a constituency be am kuta be like let's say 100 police stations.
Yeah.
Times 9.
900.
900 and never. Me dey about 700 something almost 800 people. And abana ekoto.
Hey.
Yeah, ndi edoso.
Numbers no.
Edoso, yeah. Ndi imagine so we say we dey nipa 999 nyina ba be gusa bi ageta akra kwasi.
Okay.
Unya na grandma mo no. Ndi no this time the omo ye be boy. Ndi memenda no obi a no constituency bia be group at one point now what pull Nkrofo nyina together.
Okay.
Then as more to more parliamentary candidates nipa do nyina no more to presidential no.
Okay.
Yeah. Emo be no nsia de na se bia nkwa nkwesi kosera na pade
na no bedi nkuni badi especially MPs ndie enwumere na obehu hye
oh na ndie se ne wa no tia nti wa beti anu atia bade me de bia wasem ba kwa mekan se wotehwe a mfa patapa mekan bia bra na nyina nkwa adwuma
Dr. Kwabedi for a threat
to them
ne posture ne demeanor ne reactions to niema bia equals to party nim calling the party say be yan come postpone elections no na mon sort out album na mo de koto aba no se ne be ya wantwi bia entimi emmem
because me that just before my answer question mama quickly me mate ba ko Narayana was saying yako
okay
or contest wo contest out with the region
okay
and you honestly me that me try na pen me text say we na say worry on ka promo ma send it Narayana so me catch our text na me say su a na ko re a kawa na ni o mo ton juma but back to your question because
okay
Dr. Dufo is not a threat and will not be a threat
true
I mean to anything whether to the party or to whatever to the NDC BBM on a threat okay. But the issues that were raised here now we interview in the policy director also the policy director policy analyst
yeah
no me take you down one or two things which I know, say, I think as of last week, I knew they were still working on
the
album seminar. But me, I'm a constituency crano. Nipani be a contestant. One of them was telling me, say, "Oh, we final lesson as at last week."
Okay.
It means to be and they at the end be an second day. They're fair enough. Okay. But as at last week, no, catch them and send candy because we were there in the constituency. I quite macro and no or candidate. But I know say they are compiling it. So they catch them macro. Police station be a branch be a nipa 9.
Okay.
All the executives. So the branch chairman, the branch organizer, the women organizer, the youth organizer, Sanwa, 9 people.
Okay.
Inti obia check it what they are. We who say be my branch, sorry, me constituency here, you know. Me could nipa let's say 2,000, me could nipa 500, me could nipa 700. And the 700 you know them because what come on chain on campaign. So what I say? What come on chain? Ako can win was match room. At room here so on top. Because the papa ebun Dr. Dufo wako umushia no boseso so that say James aba ho onu se shia no sino ko be bonso na menye too sure so no akode I'm not too sure but at least these two I know and I've given you the avenues
but this also more raise say or say album no candidate in second 21 days before
me know you have been prepared I mean those things who say cinema we na administrative issues. So that's it. Administrative and normally, if I'm not mistaken, the general secretary is in charge of the party's administration. Yeah. So that's it. It's Yankee Kamoye Bibiana. And I me say, I mean, who would take? Is it glory or whatever? From it, Medina from knowing the delegate list.
Election may be possible.
Oh, but I can see. What I mean, you're telling me now, bro. Let's say 3 months ago, Grandpa. Now, so that's it
ba problem bia so kuta proper list na na so be di nkuku a obetimi ehu adwuma yie abedi nkunim
ntia no be na say mpa na okohye omo dedaw na mbodi yo madam you spoken to them
bia a register be ba kwada nipa ohye omo kwa bebere kura nim
oh said that nisi tie no kwasi branch officer bie no a ntia msa yet no constituency mu no we dey secretary bank na baka se bi manya law for bank ni bi entina man bia nkoto we wa na yet no
ba mafia system ni mu
kwasi said that nisi tie se bia nkofo mo na me ye fo wona mako mu no the kind of spirit na what branch executives ni mu no would na na sam ba
obeto awie de be since
no anya possible because I don't know me kai kra me kai yayi constituency executives
okay
me ko hwe me ko monitor was constituency
yeah
me to mo nchen ma to be there but me te ye from saying officers in nchen akonya sim nchen me to mo nchen ana me hwe mo and they were going branch by branch they call their names wo ba wo de wide card beba say me akosinsi am ye branch ma ye ba say wo di wo say we branch ma me article answer na ba no koto. So how can I say
the lawyer said you ask a woman na koye simple say rigging elections no with
you are going too far rigging it
difficult but already concerned.
No, but they are not saying they didn't raise issues about rigging.
But he's talking about maybe o ka kono kire say
on there be anyone kosa one can rigging massa was it
sanka enipa e qualify so metimi ato aba no
metie nipa was say 275 constituencies na wo krom a unim nyina ni 275
well kwa so by 276
some the universal okay the evan is 276 okay so 276 also almost the last one the
fourth
year omunya 220 250 mark let's say 55 56 constituencies and
yeah
na kwasi do na ba do dia ka che anything ma
dey be sesa ne ma
abeba I mean say obi na makachiro said I know they are still filing dollars because in bandoso
it is a delay bebe mo na general secretary be issue statement to the candidate ne say bia you say no say Kamonsa can't register no Adom no 21 days before elections because of ABC DT entimi koban say mo memrem ko sisa abre say we obe betimate no because yes o mo nem no mo yem hye nenam so
I am hye ne dey
I am just 50 says
so class dey o ma dey yes say I am hye ne dey
council
I am saying no way so because you couldn't see 56 more
constituencies
but he has gone there na 56 mama ka samso ne see me no me to them
yeah
me mess am so mo contest ade bi minimum come na 4 mates of mine no even more kra I previous constituencies so we bani nkunim a delegate bi okoto ba na ma won ne sorry for me ndey be
yeah
asat na otie when ba ko okoto
e betimi assan that day so assuming say 56 constituencies say a big constituency be at 900 delegates. We are talking about 50,400 delegates.
What's constituency be saying?
So constituency be at 900.
Oh, that be no sir. A bit come boy
average.
Oh, maybe average.
Which is a fair analysis. It's a fair.
For 500 yeah because we be a bit.
But at least we're talking about even 40,000 people. And you're telling me, sir, it doesn't matter.
Now someone can say that. Abante wona ne kasa na botre wona abante kasa wo busa na question
who say how many
56 constituencies
na ade na ni zere ni nya de nya ni
56 constituencies any president
wo busa abante ne say
yeah
asade ne man na mo ben no motu
yes
was wo communicate and say mo atuna command the general secretary of the party emu na ma
yes
but then let's say emu na ma
but I can't almost best a 4
days. They are still campaigning, and I'm ready now. What was the campaign?
Since social media, I will say a candidate in Nano. With a family concern, they are campaigning the vacuum. Because people know more Asiano. You are not even sure, say,
Kwesi, me say, I'm one year, I'm 1 year, dinner, one dana, and they putting you together. I don't know about anyway. I mean, possible. I know, I mean, for voting centers, I'm going to be and near be beginning now, but I need another time because 2008 is the year was in the this is a serious General Secretary, 50 Atna say. Ama no ekoso someone say I didn't delay one communicated to candidates now akwase tie na den kan se mo ntira nja de okeken me say
okay
enye de ehuni enye hu fi say dia campaign me no ka say jam egusi enough
yes
minimum so corner of is so whichever. But on off no more. Ogusu e can do 1 point. I don't know where Dr. Dufo is now there. Minimum be akodo bonso nam there. But one me say na so be can say we in the campaign now on where me one. So that's it. Well, you cannot finish as at now or you shouldn't finish by now. Close up. So that's it. The baby won't touch up bia na baby we so go biom no. Sanko biom is important.
Lawyer Obia in 2020. NDC4 raised this concern about Electoral Commission delayed in voter register.
Delay in voter register.
Say register no yenya enhu ye in the final register na yebe kwako to aba no exhibition yebe ye delay ni ade.
What's it?
Ene eto wo party.
What's it ade yebe ye?
Election yebe aba
no, but what we use word for was exhibition.
Yeah.
The National Electoral Register System no mo. You throw din wi a. You sign in and never see wo.
Yes.
Before the elections
kwara say wo kohwe
was a me a me twino me din me kokohwe say me din no me kan say me de Alexander Twimberima anu na ba ye ana yakoto kosinsia akohwe me din mu ana ya nya nsa
picture ni me din e match
bibia e correct me kokohwe eno
won e kwa kan sem so wo wo so di Electoral Commission de mom kansa o tena no maka kire say NDC and defile 21 days mo di release album
mo defile she when the Valerie, I didn't know what they say. Oh, what's when you be? Na be na ma. And I'm telling you, sir.
4th May was below 21 days.
Hey, Jadoen.
There be lawyer.
Jadoen, I'm there more.
I don't
know. Say general elections, sir. Etika, and yes, I'm say my NDC.
Mr. Dr. Dufo. Kodobunsu.
Yes.
John Dramani Mahama.
Yes.
They are still on the campaign grounds campaigning. Baby on Bedrubia and one way about branch executives and I'm Makasa. Okay?
So, and Senator Sanitana can come here say, Yeni Abo, they
will get it.
When?
Now, when they are
requesting for you failing to accept some general secretary.
Oh, die.
I am mistake and he has failed, sir.
He has not failed anything. Mean if I'm not coming in there. The way where are they? Why don't I have one year and not
your mama on NDC piece?
Was I walk us we never and that's a American.
And you would be come.
That's a American. I will
say we are near about
go.
I don't know when I didn't I didn't see.
Muncha video
video I went down today.
Muncha video into me who
another one can say
so lawyer ni
one can say MVP.
We are lawyer ni ye mete out such injustice.
I didn't know injustice.
How dey me ba ma menche tifo. Okay. Na onim say ayi a free John Tay of Anko barrier ho.
Okay.
Kwa kosi ayi ho no.
New interchange.
Da bi kwa kosi amasama o ayi ensanwam o tra total na.
Yeah.
About 200-300 feet.
Meters.
No, yeah 10 lanes. So nim sir.
Yeah.
From
for Accra Kumasi.
Yeah, Accra Kumasi stretch until usane Achimota Bridge no of Ankwano ho na free wa besi ensanwam total.
Yeah.
10 lanes. 5 lanes going, 5 lanes coming.
Okay.
Now the tell say e ho no so no John Taya no ho na no minti ase ne say ombe interchange e wo ho. Now we be drew Pokuase, another interchange. And then we be drew Amasamaya, or cut to total side or another interchange.
Yeah.
And son a final interchange. Sorry, Amasamaya not total, toll booth side. And son we be drew someone total honor so another interchange. And then we are on 9 overpasses. Nipa betimi afaso and then 1 under bridge.
Okay.
Me research I may me gusu I may no kire say nyame ya adoma somewhere August September next year.
Okay.
And on baby is our coin. Okay. Unim say hacho so who hacho.
Yeah.
Yeah, no double lane, and also Adom economy.
From my say started from you want Palace Mall. A one more from
a bar
Esi hacho your friend says there's a restaurant there. We refer restaurant Edi.
And also Adom yeah. And Adom sofa poku no sunya Swami interchange. Once bank could try sold more about 5 months ago.
The
Koba and say Bosia na yajia ya de be ye kwan no. Enu mu na IMF nsensem bae.
Okay.
Nti banka na omo de Bosia ne maye no ka say so be release scanner just ne IMF ewie ngita hodie no.
Okay.
Nam say enya maye nti na aban so pese o ye say adwuma nti de aban aye ne say wo hwa nansen aban parliament quick loan be honeyama
6 or 7
the etienne say agreement abasi ebetimi ayi sa sika ne bi kakra
okay
ye twen the original Bosnia na ankasa no
okay
ye be 75 million from sa sika we mo de akostate
okay
Swami interchange so ne be ya
sika 75 million from the 750 million
yeah 750 million e de akostate Swami interchange Swami interchange no in 2 phases. Roads na the enclave na that area ho nyina no eno ye 41 million pounds.
Okay.
And sana 175 million na ye de ye interchange na ankasa. Nti ye 75 de akostate. Hoping say nyame me Adom 75 ni deplete no na ye ne IMF wi ama Bosnia the original loan no ayeden aba be bodwa na yetimi de atoa so.
Okay.
Nti eno ye some update kakra menim say here tiefo a ese ye dem samam de ne de menim say here kwan na say enye kra ti na ban gusu gidigidi wa hu so a ye about 10 mini bridges e wo kwan nim so wa fa kwan no 10 mini bridges e wo kwan nim ti ye kwan as yetimi wi a ebesesa Ghana through that area no
what you go
now yemra ensem mo dream anopay because ade a lawyer aye wa ha no ensem fata
ade
obi a sabio wo ye mranim ni wo de wadwuma ne se atentene ni ebeye adwuma wo be bia wo na anopay wadware sisi ho kama brante kwa wa betena radio so ni I mean TV afidika sie so nye afidika ketwa bia te se ayi Adom TV but now so defend it ade any kwan so defend it integrity na we put no on the line
kasa we na do we amebo
I mean why yemra say ansa na ye beto aba no 21 days ese mo de album no kire obia o person contest enya sa na mra nete o hwe Dr. Dufo nkrata wode abebodwa o se omo koye no ene mpanyimfo ko hia no 220 constituencies
any release
and am release mom meaning said 55 constituencies mo antimi anfa mom
I'm quite 56 ko mo ye 276 constituencies
mo ye 276
o sa account
okay sure now I understand your 56 because now initially na me sure okay. So mo the sa account fine which is a very good decision. It's a smart decision. Because they are anticipating say a Babe County. They are planning for you know Fred Abonyo Yechiano. 56 constituencies. Osi eni ho enye ready. I catch 3 days near Kotoaba. So 4 days. 56 constituencies enye ready. 220 ninso aye ready ninso inaccuracies ewom esaye incomplete na wo betra Adom TV na wo defend this adewe meanwhile wonso ye part of NDC legal team mo na mo advice ye se edun ketia so onko court na esisi mu mo members eko jina street so she ties see a sisimo if you say sisi de e den ya mo court mo do ye konum tea we biscuit ni ade ka ho
biscuit no se nka na biscuit nka
na nka ho okay ni nyina
no me no dini mo yeah you know you guys are just fun what are you guys are just fun me nyamutre
no I said so big can I say
oh man mo flo na me just me so David mo ko just me so
but team
David you know na kai fa
na de na me kan nya no
oh na me say me nka bi na me tisi bi ma wa mam wo da ka wo de na ko na ba de me ba so
enti utimi be gina aha be ka kire ye say de asi ni nya hwe
me say ebeba wo
ebeba asabe na wo ka no
me say ebeba
wo na ayi wo lawyer wo ti ayi
mi bisa
wo lawyer wo ti ayi wo lawyer wo ti ayi ji mensa be ka kire say 5 days to national elections wo busa na say onfa the complete emra o say no ka kire say beba so wo be ji sa asem na to
ye ko wani mo
ahun ade ye wa enya wo dan mfa nya wo nua almost started so musisi Dr. Adofo anya ne oh yes
o musisi no de ho
kre mu koto aba unim say omu lose election puto no a Ghana for rejected John Dramani Mahama 2016
okay
yeah rejecting no
okay
and na bitterness she cast me friend a bro ebe she yaudie na bro omo de na no ya ntie bro
asa yaudie no
yeah and ebe she omo
ebe se wan mu
and omo decide say omo ntie ase de ntie John Mahama lusuye enti kia ne ke John Mahama na no mo sade ne beba adon kai
okay
ema abusua ne kra ba abonti be ka say omo nua no omo papa no omo doba no ko ntena se wo nkai
enye no kra
oh there were some family members who came out
okay on salad and enye
no kra na busia bia me kan hwe da enye no kra you might have heard some speculations and metiasia so be kan sa but enye no kra okay ntia mfa won no busia bia me kan hwe
okay yeah that's it lawyer
enipa bi kire o madwen se nkapanyin no entena se
kan sa
ena o ka so obadwene ho
okay
ena mudi ade hye papa yi kon hye ne kon nam se mu benya bibia dinti
what ya ka
oh mami kasa why
me mane ngasa
why
because easier everybody nyanko
se mu benya bibia dinti nkofo bi position mu benya yes na say John Mahama is the richest person in NDC now
why na yen sa
oh
the lawyer
why na certify as the richest person why na yen sa
lawyer
you busa question ni tell and I want yen sa
nyabotre
what
obi okon fa so assessment of who is a rich man it really nyabotre
ona fa
question ya wo kan be and was John Mahama as the richest person
okay
but that's
okay and John Mahama nya rich o kan Professor Frimpong Boateng report na o say MDC for na illegal galamsey the most and o mo so ko ye o report him oh have you read the report Mami Nkasa
no lawyer
yes I can read it to you
lawyer nyabotre
yo quite
Kofi
ana also mo na mo ye galamsey the most entie bia na say do sir President Mahama kwagigi free mo members wa mo ye galamsey
assumption
say ma o ma gigi
can you imagine
o ma gigi wo
party mo gibi
wa who sir President Mahama call launch dues collection
can they say any of
Agufa do self 5 cities
so on lawyer
what are you talking about
lawyer nyapte
who papa na me ka say John Mahama funding the campaign
deputy nyabotre be ma abram wabam why wo dey no tin nyina down
me ka say John Mahama funding the campaign I say there be
me nyini say
members you
use the right words
what's the right contribution
galamsey for
go donation mate
donation
enti omo ye omadwen say nya de a papa no omo betena ho ama obi a contesting from day one and omo decided say they will impose John Mahama on the people in the NDC.
Penny wo hu.
Enya de me hu. Ada wonti ha na enkofo ka presenting candidate. Anya omo na enkofo asa abro for the buy. What be that?
What you Ghana what to be a friend of presumptive candidate? Obikasa saying.
Obikasa.
National executives, but now a few years so a presumptive candidate. Ebi ko asebu me ekobo omu nyina. Won te se akobo
obi enkomi enkobo no. Obi enkomi enkobo. Was it am go to po nyaduma. Dade yo
lawyer.
When the kwase me
owu yami ko ho a to kwa ko si. Oh, mama me kasa.
Lawyer nyabotre oh.
What you even kasa we na we correct.
So we interject bebre so afema also want to be putting the thought together. How fluent one so for maybe sure you be correct you want be.
Is it not the case or no lawyer betina studio ha? See asuma ne so make kasama NDC no. Is it not the case or the be John Mahama politics? Is it not the case? Say Sami Jemfi, is it not the case national executives nyina John Mahama politics?
National executives ni.
National executive. Catch me national executive ben Anna, what about Abontia because one supported John Mahama? What are we talking about? Why are we pretending?
I say don't Katia declare support.
I say don't Katia. How can the men call na machinations in one day?
We declare that
machinations in one day. Mafia work in one day. Who what now catch them say Fifi Quetta failing.
Dr. Anna Louisa Bisu and declare support.
Omo ye den. Omo ye hwan mo. Omo support why?
National Youth Organizer support and declare support.
Why? Opariado.
We declare that ben.
Opariado de mo dia ye Opariado wo party we mu.
We declare that ben. What do you need to know?
The mo dia ye Opariado wo party we mu na be. Don't even go there. The mo dia ye papaya mapa mo na free party mu. Ofosu ampofu.
Ya pa mo for every party.
That's about to about here.
Can you say this? No, brother, is na never find what. That's not bad. Ideas of Sugaria. Oh, mo find na bad. I'm not me no share this nothing. We are some of us. I'm not really not just a barefoot. We are very fine as well yesterday. I'm not over I want to buy.
Make us
Ideas of Sugaria.
Go
okay.
But to you, the almost say Dr. Kwabedi.
Oh yes. Okay. Anya me to me. Okay. Ghana need be your objective be here. So almost see. Ono kwa professor now doctor.
Yeah.
Almost see. Share contributions a papaya ye. And say on starting project be no more friends and cry. Is it a project? Papaya starting and Kofunya menasepo.
Yeah, over $1 million.
Yes.
I know the shame.
The shame spend day any idea. Oh, enti ni nyina and so money. Ni nyina and so money
dollars now come random.
I would have me nya some make a compensation make a meeting.
Ogo so he make am on TV so. Menja we ever see the better ekwo so.
But no ntron kwa na wudi trust.
Badwam Mpensenpensemu enie lawyer Chimberima and 1 minute na yenko fa ene Mahama peace ne nyina
akwase asumdwe ndie unu se
asumdwe elho
enno bi
ba menim watch video be more raise concern about the way na inusafus the media how they
I was a wudi ntro na ne so asa edi gwa na benya bwa na oboti
me intro me no
ana ye dey
so they say na ne dimina
dimina ben
what about director me video
na eyemi
ye mo tape ni bia ye fa video no to so obi a onya hwe
obi a hwe
because most campaign na call the man Haruna Edusu but Louis Asif na onye receptive
to na on no campaign ma Haruna Edusu
so say omo free one ma Haruna Edusu
na campaign wan ka so
omo free one ma Haruna Edusu na
the political party is a generational line party be mu the MPP the NDC whatever a generational line
yes
what does some time ago you be na ye politics mu now you are joining every be ba wo mo no they are going to fade off
but who draw that political lineage. Is there John Mahama?
I mean, he was just prompting them that a line. I mean, I was a contractor when they ministers, and now have you ever seen them become ministers again? Kwame Pranum, they are no more. A time came for John Dramani Mahama and they ministers.
Okay.
What I say, and then they have become presidents now.
Okay.
A time will come, they will not be there. You get other similar group of people coming up.
Okay.
I don't know what you want to do.
Okay.
So the movie make now can tell say maybe John Dramani Mahama me pe we asem them po bi asem because this one yeah ko every ba enya me don bi e be nba fro you see you need to understand life from that concept.
Okay.
Because what wiase ane abrabo asesa wo man mo bi ha wadwen Bible say mmra ne na Onyankopon sam
yes
bibia so ye mmra ye mmra bibia besie
the race is not to the swift
mesi ye mmra bibia besi akwasi sabra no so a ade nipa betima ye say nipa betima tuane mom bi ama bia a delay but nipa ntime zanada tenie except won bia won to choro konkran ase
okay
nipa betima tuane mom bia wade bia e ba no atwa sensen akachire e maaye
but on
name mo so ba sanse ma ne ma de entimi so obi bia hyebra da nanim se wonu so obedi mampani wonu so obedi de ben ya ebedi delay akufo ado start looking for presidency 95 96
yes
and 2017 no and obenya bedi so it's time ebra no so baba asomdwe no hu asenhwe ye ti o ma Bible say am pre o man ya wo mu asomdwe
and no aka say mudru ba bia mo mama asomdwe enka ho
thank you that is what we need because asomdwe ni awonu menu ni tim so metra ha
okay
so it's key. It's paramount because I mean, so said okay, was it more send the audios, voice doesn't go about the two platforms to share. I can't see women at the time of one. One when you know, oh, I'm going to answer that.
O partner, I would say,
what is it? O partner, I was saying, and no someone and knock at home, and it's true. Who would say that he or she doesn't know this?
Maybe because sir.
Now the video now went I was just noting on one some kind of video.
Okay. But said the one person who party there. But man 4 years.
Because I don't listen to those things because me send money me seven days. I don't waste my time on these things. Which me seven days send money because share mama can tell. You so would this see say media me bota ya na say ade no say anya twum na koye FM say
Kofi tonton.
Kofi de ene na kwa me fa send ene me say no wo say wan kasa wo. Because anytime you can tell say Yakopon hye mu you can only delay it but you can't stop it, you can't change it. Baba for how long will you delay?
Ebe kogo de enkogo na phone bi na ba party mu.
Baby ni pa twese de wodimo ma matimi dia akodu ha. Baby ba obia.
Ebe kogo de enkogo na.
Say baby matimi dia akodu ha. Baby bi wo.
At party phone bi adwom ha masa.
Obi anya adwom ha ma. Okasa no okaso bi adwom. I'm just using his own words.
Oh, okay.
Wan kaso bi adwom. But what say? Some ye nam ne ye kan some ye kan some dia asomdwe beba. Ono abegina wo ye ne campaign. Ebi no chana pa na even how na so na be ne de. Ebi na the next one na ye obi fo na ekwe ne matana bobo nipa bi dia am so wo ye na fo a wo mo contest bi bia wo mo mbo mo di dia so wo ti region ho dia be kan. Ye no kwa na kwa tin dia about 3 or so. And each one will go to the same group of people to talk to them. But who kwa enkwasa no. Ko kan de.
Okay.
Me akwasi siamba be to iPhone 14 Pro Max handle a chama mu nyina. Me so mba we so ma ka kan de obetun ayo.
Okay.
Enko kan de anim. What can you put transia not to send no shame on okay? The acquisition I can many advent and the chum can ya or better. Simple. But the young for nigga and was sign no. None why say, oh, I didn't was saying what's happened the same thing. You won't get it.
My politics at TVCO.
Oh, unya. Okay? Was he so to politics as you when you may see your politics? Yen say will be because it will definitely come back to you.
Sure.
It will definitely come back to you.
Okay.
But you need to bring pen for memory now. Sebita first and mombi omutu ye binti akababi ese komu do ma twan ru. So you need to be careful in life and what you do and what you don't do. It's very important. It work say one year penny on dan wo pretty so that be obo be partner nim akopret media ma partner in 2024 2025. Okay? Se be ko ye sa we so di kan pre partner so ndwie and partner kan kro. Se partner so ndwie ni mo wotimi ni animu da. Take note. Partner ni mo nyoye na partner so ndwie ni mo you can lead I mean, a disorganized institution. But
and been a more creative about delay in the album. Because and the Benjamin Sama Obi, I quite a Biako can as Samoa, a Biano and Yanchi Muye, no can send ye or feeling never. I will never support the fact that my Nipami and Sano. Okay. Okay. So, number one, maybe your mama. No, I think okay. Your mama number 1. Yeah. Your boss number 2. And then before as number 3. Asio. Send for me in same way. Whichever. And this will move biara or woman. Mean trying to say, I dear sister Modemon, Mama from Mubia. Okay. Give it to them. Because there's a reason when I was at this, I would have more. Yeah. So give it to them. And Cassan Femano. But said the media, Mimino, was he? Nobody will say on Father Nimubi. I know that there have been some delays, and the delays, it's not making blame national phone because woman if you see one ever so. So that's just delay automatically assurance by day, a delay.
So me tell no.
Okay.
So some of the issues need be seen say a main person maja to say boapayo. And no mass one make. Because me won yenti ahwe kwasi. Won me say listen na was national approve ma various presidential candidates no.
Yeah.
The same listen na ya approve the amount nipa parliamentary ni so.
Okay.
So what it means in say madam fi am tena abon din. Wo me mensa na contesting. Say nipa na yakotoma wono one ni nkrofo mensa na omo na yakotoma JM so ne nipa mensa.
Okay.
So say we obi free mu a that person may be somebody who may be voting for me mate eye osanya queen.
Okay.
So that's it.
So by affecting
exactly. So nobody will be taken out.
Okay.
Yes, I will tell you.
But as a lawyer,
name of never said ebe said yes question.
Okay.
Ebra no so me me dan nyame ademu a make sure say wo a wo gina bibia.
Okay.
Ma we agent what na ho. Because me am go to the Tafarina was say about you in police station
one more.
Ma baby ya tu bibia. Ma we agent what na ho.
Okay.
Wa ma na nkotena na o chena ho ba ka dem say ye koto fanta kwa off. Na what na microphone o say assign ya ho na fa microphone ngo.
Okay.
The party is not distributing agents.
Okay.
Who are contest na say we agents don't contact police station am go vote bro.
But I say
so they should make sure they will do that.
Avoid any issue. Berema, member of the NDC National Communications Team. Akwasisi, good morning. Kofi Tonto is now talking about integrity. Wonders shall never end. This same Kofi Tonto is a follower of Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia. That is known to be untruthful. Hamza Jr. Anyway,
say officer say who see who qualify for justice and fairness, but who are fairness
Chum Berima allow Kofi Tonto So can Chum Berima allow Kofi Tonto to finish his presentation and after that he can ask him questions or counter what he's saying? He's making the whole program boring. Alex Tufor, Edway Free, Hamburg, Germany, and on the Free Ebai. Akwasisi, good morning. You see what I used to say? You allow Kofi to say anything anyhow without correction, without questions. You just allow him to throw in anything anyhow. You, these same people, allow them to come and mislead Ghanaians that there was no employment from 2012 to 2016. You guys are doing a great disservice to Ghanaians. Amzi, and so, I don't know. NDC in their own internal elections has serious issues on their voter register, which comprise the credibility of the elections. How much more would they do in 2024? Ajiwudin Nana Kofi Jumo and so Enonom. Ghana needs a new leader who can transform our economy into industrialization, creation of more job opportunities and better economic policies. And the only person who is capable and competent to execute this task is Chief John Allan Kojo Chidamate, Eric Kwaku Bodi, and so Eno. Kofi?
Yeah. Medasi.
Topics na ma enye ba ko
And he say, would we invest also an AKB 5 name Franco? Okay, open so we win.
You have a point,
AKB 5 minutes.
I can na ya ne
send them, now what Cassan, you make Casafin now bet the time. Depends on the topic you could have a I didn't have a so can be.
Like say peace no was an over can be peace no was
peace now make. And then I hope so
can
go.
Sure, Minia. Assume ye are dear a yepa. Na se woni nipa tifi what na kumasi fi da
oh yeah
yen nyina kumasi fo e mean say yen nyina kumasi fo
ti nipa na oni
mete sunshine
oni ni tifi oba ene omane ne mabedidi abom kama wie ya wo afo achi no akodi hu konkonsa no akowo pin ade achi a no asa he ama ena until that.
Okay.
And no be na John Mahame. Ote ho. Ena asi edun ketia ene fifi kweti tro letter koma Haruna Drusu. Ene muntaka si apam mebwa. E dey asem na mo beka omo say omo take decision no kra yan consult wo. Ana mebwa.
Yeah.
Wo na wo ye presumptive leader. Sabe we nya badaye say wo be frem rantie John Mahama timi nka nkyere Ghana fo se no onim se ye bepamu Haruna Drusu. Ani mutaka. Who ye shahan and man penny forward in some money in the
or national chairman.
Oh, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? And you're not friend presumptive leader. Now, Sabi, when you're national chairman, why in the penny were this in which Mahama?
For this.
Mr. Why in the penny channel party him? He's the leader of the party. You can talk about technicalities and all of that. So when Timmy can't tell me, say no one say you be taking that decision.
Okay.
I advise you say don't ketia pata pasam na fifi kote pata pasama omo ye de pamu omo. You couldn't even as a leader correct an erroneous act. E gumrantie animu as a poto.
Go fina ko betimi eden.
You omo wo de say emfa ne say omo nkompa.
Okay.
Obe advise you say don't ketia say that be Montreal let and come on Musa. These are leaders of our parliament. Mon frère omoni omontena sinkasa.
Okay.
And chiro mu di enti a mu free say ese mu take a decision. Mu wi a mon frère all parliamentarians ni omon kasa. And chiro mu say this is the reason why I taking a decision. Ubre fi say suhini ebe ka kire say montena ayi party adabraka.
Yeah.
Enye ju ayi parliament na mo be party adwuma. Refi. Why na ye panyin? Why na ye panyin e wo fie ho? Adabraka ho why na ye panyin wo? John Dramani Mahama is the leader of the party.
This is the national chairman.
Me say technicalities no.
Okay.
On what create on no constitution. No the cassette. What the man
Asanda
technical aspect.
A technical aspect.
But or
me say and dia na be koso and dia na be koso e wo NDC mu a John Dramani Mahama and na emfa no so. Dia na be koso wo NDC mu. Oh,
okay mu ntakalete no.
Please, I don't know my main
lawyer.
I don't know my main kasa.
You see,
now what's now? We are penny. I'm ye gu Haruna Idrisu and Nimasi say.
You will not comment.
My child didn't take good and Nimasi. Parliamentarians are kasa dia party leadership here wrong. O ma meka.
Yeah.
We are anomako kone. We din some money ni we are. No be jina simpie so. Ayo who saint. I almost said Trinini. And until Haruna Idrisu say, I am not going to accept this hypocrisy.
Okay,
reaction. Reaction, no.
Okay.
Reaction, no.
Shumberima is disgracing himself by defending the indefensible on Dr. Dufour issue because NDC always attack Electoral Commission on issues like this. But no matter what, Dr. Digitalization Maumbu Baumia, NPP best bet for 2024 will win the NPP flag bearership race to be president in 2025. Regards to Dr. Derek Kwaku Nkansa. OPK, patriotic voice, Edward Frigoso, and all day. But I was say, we had Mochina, Eddie Eshia, Naseka Sekuma lawyer Chumbarema, member of the NDC National Communications Team, confided to a government spokesperson. Waba Kofi Ampadu, Dominic Isi Yabua, Daniel, Therma. Sound like camera MC Adom, you know, so watch on the pa. You better say background.